which like mimic all the other musicians that are supposed to be playing on like satellite radio, whatever that was.
Like Celine Dion and everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was hilarious. But did you see the first one she did on Jimmy Fallon?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I did.
Fucking hilarious.
Not using that gate ever again.
Is it that one?
Yep. Yeah, let's go. It's fine.
Dick.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Oh my god, what? It doesn't work. Nope, it worked.
Please go first. Yeah, sure. Press the magic button.
I love that she's like, oh no, I don't know how this works. What am I doing? Oh shit.
I hate it when that happens.
So, alright, so Britney Spears, who we all know, and Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Alright.
Which is pretty good. So, Bruce, can you give a little music to Britney Spears?
I love the Brits. You're a nice guy. I wonder if they pre-record those. I've never even thought about that.
Pre-record what?
Their like reaction to
Maybe.
like and then they just like rip shank. When you back in, it's like the rear thing never happened.